Constitution of India. I was born on 26 November 1949 and I am now 71 years old. Do you know how I was made? A constituent assembly was set up with 299 members. Among them were Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. S. Radhakrishna, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sarojini Naidu and many more. On 29th August 1947, a drafting committee was formed to draft me with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as its chairman. It was handwritten by Prem Bahari Narain Rezada in a flowing italic style with beautiful calligraphy. When I was made, I had 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules. But now I have 448 articles in 25 parts and 12 schedules. Till now, I have been amended for 104 times according to the needs of the people. I feel happy that I am the world's lengthiest and written one. I determine the relationship of the citizen with the government. My principles and guidelines are required for people belonging to different ethnic and religious groups to live in harmony. When you follow my set of rules and regulations accordingly, you, the citizens of India, can create a better society with peaceful lives. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, this is Chandana Reddy of grade 9 from Iris World School. Now I am going to tell a few points about Indian Constitution Day. Indian Constitution Day is celebrated on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution among all the others. Indian Constitution Day is also known as National Law Day. Indian Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into force 2 months later, that is January 26, 1950. India is a diverse country. It has many cultures and different people and different backgrounds. So, it is hard for all the people to live in peace without constitution. Hence, we can say that our constitution plays a vital role in nation's administration. Indian Constitution is a framework which consists of directive principles, duties of government and duties of citizens, and responsibilities of each and every person who belong to India. So, let's be a part of this Indian Constitution and follow the rules of our Constitution. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Rajeshwari studying in 9th A grade from Iris World School and I am here to speak about importance of Constitution. Constitution forms basic structure of any government or country. Constitution of country is important because it forms the basic guidelines and norms that a citizen of a country should and must have to follow. Coming to our Constitution of India, it was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into force on 26 January 1950. The preamble of our Constitution of India consists the basic guidelines, directive principles, fundamental rights that a citizen of our India should follow. Our Constitution of India is basically considered as one of the largest written constitution in the world.
I'm Satvika of 8th grade from Iris World School.
This is Srinba from grade 7 Iris World School. I wish a very happy Constitution Day.
A very happy Constitutional Day to all.
On this occasion, I want to share about fundamental rights.
Fundamental rights. What are these fundamental rights? The rights which are given to the people or the citizen of a country by the Constitution or the government. There are 6 fundamental rights. They are
Right to freedom, right to equality, right against exploitation.
Cultural and educational rights, right to freedom of religion, right to constitutional remedies.
Fundamental duties.
Fundamental duties. What are these fundamental duties? The duties which must be followed by every citizen in India, which are given by the government or the constitution.
First, to abide by the Constitution and respect the ideas and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. Second, to cherish and follow the noble ideas who inspired our national struggle for freedom.
To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. To defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so.
To promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, and relational or sectional diversities, to renounce practices dignity to dignity of the woman.
To value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. To promote and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers, wildlife, and have compassion for living creatures. To develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. To safeguard public property and abjure violence.
10th, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to the higher levels of endeavor and achievement.
Who is a parent or a guardian to provide opportunities for education to his child or as the case may be varied between the age of 6 to 14 years. Thank you.
We, the people of India,
हम भारत के लोग
solemnly resolve to constitute India into a
sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic
And to secure to all its citizens
justice, social, economic, and political
liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship.
equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation.
In our Constituent Assembly, this
26 नवंबर 1949
do hereby adopt
अधिनियमित और आत्मप्रीत करते हैं। धन्यवाद।